All right, it's the start of the penalty shootout to determine who goes to the final.
Wait, why are they starting
Dad, we gotta do what we do in football.
Okay, so their keeper is kicking first. Nice try, nice try. Here you go, Shanna.
Yeah, I know. I know, buddy. That gives you momentum, right?
Good job, Shanna.
Got it, Mira! Got it, Mira!
Essentially, she's just wrong.
Oh, yeah.
That happens.
Let's go, Addie.
I've done it against Leon. He did a whole bunch of beaker moves. I just tried it. I blocked like.
Nice shot.
I know. Just gotta block this one at a time.
Penalty score is tied 2-2 right now.
They don't have a chance. I mean, I lose them and then I get sick of them. You know what I mean? I should. Yes. Oh, and I did tell you that you can get an emergency stamp, those lifelong ones.
Nice try. That's a good penalty.
Oh my God.
Good job, Brett.
All right, here we go, Tegan.
And one like this is
You got it, Addie.
got it, Tegan. So I thought, well, I'm gonna wait till
Wait, we're tied.
Red.
and I love this. Love this. It fits just right. Oh, is that last night? Yeah. That looks so beautiful. That is really happy.
Nice. Good job, Tegan.
You got it, baby.
I ate like everything. I ate all of it. I didn't run a lap. I ate all of that. It was delicious. I'm too stressed.
You got it, Peyton.
If she blocks this, it's basically an automatic.
Oh, nice kick.
Are we even now?
Good job, Peyton.
All right, here we go, Harper.
At least they can overthink it. I'm like, they're like, what are your plans for the weekend? I'm like, what is the plan for the weekend? What time is it? I know. I'm like, well, did they ever send out anything that said anything about it? Well, so...
Good kick. Got it, girl.
You said socks.
Yeah, she made it. Yeah.
And then the day afterwards, as soon as I told them no, I'm not. Yeah. If you guys have the other yeah. Okay. Well, so are you going to go to?
That's a good one, too.
I really want to go on Saturday. Oh, I have to get down there too.
Let's go, Addie.
I don't know if we're going to start that in September. I say we can do this too.
Here you go, Camille. Good job, Camille.
Let's go, Addie. Let's go. Let's go. Dad.
All right, here we go, Brenda. Let's make it. Let's go, Brenda.
That's totally the lineup I thought it was going to be.
Good call. Good call. If we make this,
You got it, Eddie.
No
that was the 6th.
That's no
So
pressure.
Next one. So if we make this, we win. They started. They started. Oh! It's okay. It's all right.
Let's go, Ever.
That's a good shot, Brenna.
I'll stop you.
What do they do after this?
You got it, Avery.
Maybe they flip the coin.
We're gonna flip that coin?
Good shot. Here we go, Mia.
Come on, Eddie.
Is this going?
Nice. Good job, Mia.
How many of these are we doing?
How many people did that? Do they just keep going?
Until somebody misses and then makes it?
Originally they have 6 or something, 5 or 6.
Good shot.
Good job, Julia.
Here we go, Perla. Good game, sir. Sound FC wins on penalties. Great game, sir.